Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. 7 products that purify the body better than any medicine. The idea of purifying the body is often brought to the point of absurdity. Gallons of oil, lemon juice or medications lead many to hospital beds. It is worth paying attention to conventional products that purify the body better than drugs, while not being able to harm it. 1. Cabbage. Contains a large amount of dietary fiber that helps to bind heavy metals and toxins, and then remove them from the intestines. In addition, it is rich in organic acids that improve digestion and normalize the intestinal microflora. But that's not all. Cabbage contains a very rare vitamin U. It detoxifies dangerous chemicals, takes part in the synthesis of vitamins and even heals ulcers. How to use fresh, sour, in the form of juice. 2. Red beet. It is the cleanser of the body number 1. First, it contains fiber, phosphorus, copper, vitamin C and a number of organic acids that improve the movement of food and destroy the bad putrefactive bacteria in the intestine. Secondly, it includes lipotropic substance beta-in, which causes the liver to get rid of toxins better. Thirdly, the beet helps to rejuvenate the body due to folic acid, creating more new cells, and quartz improves the condition of the skin, hair and nails. How to use boiled, with borscht, in salad, in the form of a decoction or juice. 3. Garlic. In 1 clove of garlic contains more, 400 useful components. They reduce the level of bad cholesterol in the blood and clear the blood vessels, kill glioblastoma cells, the cause of brain cancer, destroy the diphtheria, tuberculosis bacillus and helicobacter, the cause of stomach ulcers, get rid of parasites. How to use fresh, in a ground form. 4. Onion. Its main value is phytoncids, which are contained in essential oils. These substances can kill many bacteria and fungi in just a few seconds. In addition, the onion improves digestion, nutrient absorption and even appetite. And thanks to the large sulfur content, the onion allows to effectively neutralize and remove all harmful. How to use fresh, in salad, in the form of alcohol tincture and cosmetic mask, from acne and blackheads. 5. Apples. Thanks to pectin and fiber, apples normalize the work of the entire digestive system, bind slags and toxins, improve appetite, stimulate the production of gastric juice, relieve constipation. In addition, apples kill causative agents of dysentery, Staphylococcus aureus, Proteus, influenza A viruses. How to use, in fresh form with the skin, in the form of juice and grated gruel, in the form of a decoction. 6. Avocado. Unfortunately, the properties of this southern fruit are almost unknown to the general public. Avocado contains a wonderful substance called glutathione, which blocks about 40 different carcinogens, unloading the liver. In addition, the fruit normalizes the level of cholesterol in the blood, improves digestion, supplies tissues with oxygen. How to use fresh, in the form of dried fruit or oil. 7. Cranberries. This is perhaps one of the most powerful natural antibiotics and antiviral agents that effectively cleanse the bladder and urinary tract from harmful bacteria. It is equally important that the cranberry fights with the formation and development of cancer cells, as well as the appearance of thrombi and plaques in the vessels. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.